Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, checking out this gorgeous 1969 early Ford Bronco Classic. Absolutely gorgeous paint and body. This is a cherry red pearl. It was painted about 2 years ago. Super straight body, very high quality paint, no rust whatsoever. Great stance with the 3.5-inch suspension lift, Rancho shocks all around. Beautiful hardtop in the Wimbledon white. Just give you a quick tour of the body. So it's got the original 302 that's believed to have been rebuilt about 5,000 miles ago. Power steering, powered front disc brakes. Great running, great driving Bronco, great stance. It's sitting on some American Racing Baja wheels. About 33 inches is what it comes out to. I think they're 305/70/16s. Hopefully you can see how straight that body is. Other than a few minor paint chips that were touched up, the body's just about flawless on this Bronco. Beautiful parchment white interior. It's got the original front bucket seats. They were completely redone. Original rear seat also redone. Interior panels. Roll bar was powder coated. New headliner at the time it was restored. Original style steering wheel. Everything's in beautiful shape inside. Let you hear it start up and running. Previous owner did add oil pressure and water temp gauges there in the dash. She'll fire right up. Great tone from the dual turbo mufflers. Undercarriage looks great. Floor pans are rock solid. Your exhaust tips exit right here behind the rear quarters. Let you hear it running. Searching for a beautiful early Bronco Classic. This is one you don't want to miss out on. These continues to skyrocket in price. Barrett Jackson auction. These are again one of the hottest collectibles on the market. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Good luck.